Do you want to work or volunteer with kids in Queensland? We've created this video to help you use the online applicant portal to apply for a replacement card. This video will help you if you are replacing your card because it was lost, damaged, or you never received it. If you want to replace your card because your name has changed, please watch our video changing your name using the online applicant portal. By now, you should have already registered for an online account. If you haven't already done this, watch our previous video registering for an online account before you continue. To apply for a replacement card, go to our website www.qld.gov.au/bluecard. Once on our homepage, click on the blue button which says Apply for a Blue Card. This will take you to the page to log in to your online account. Here you need to enter your Queensland Department of Transport and Main Roads details, just as you did when you registered. You need to click the box indicating you have read and understood the privacy notice before you can log in. Make sure you don't click the Register for an Online Account button, as you have already done this. When you click the Login button, you will be sent a security code to the email address or mobile number you provided when you registered. This should be a 5 or 6-digit number. If you provided an email address and the security code hasn't arrived in your inbox, check your junk mail or spam folder. If your security code has not arrived after a few minutes, you can request another one by clicking on the Resend Online Security Code button. Next, enter your security code in the Online Security Code box and click Submit. You will now have 6 options on your screen. To replace your card, click Replace My Card. This page has information about fees and payment options. Make sure you read this information. You will be prompted to select the reasons for a replacement card from the drop-down list. If you select My card has been damaged or I never received the card in the post, you will be prompted to contact us to request a replacement card. This is because you may not be required to pay for your replacement card. Select the appropriate replacement reason and click Next. You will now see the words Personal Details on the top left-hand side of your screen. You will be asked to confirm that we hold the correct personal details for you. If we do not have the correct details for you, you can make the necessary changes to your name. If you are having trouble editing your name, please watch our video changing your name using the online applicant portal. You will need to declare all the information you have provided is correct. It is important you read this declaration before you agree. If your details have not changed, select No and click Next. You will now need to confirm your contact details are correct. You will be able to make necessary changes on this page. If your details have not changed, select No and click Next. You will need to declare you do not have a blue card or an exemption card, that all the information you have provided is correct, and you understand it is an offence to provide a false or misleading statement or document. It is important you read this declaration before you agree. Once you have agreed all the information is correct, select the checkbox and click Next. You will then be asked how you will be paying for your replacement card. If you have already paid, select the option I already have a B-Point payment receipt number. Otherwise, you can pay using MasterCard or Visa card. Well done! You have successfully requested a replacement card. You should allow up to 2 weeks for your replacement card to receive in the mail. You can now return home or log out of your online account.